Helo. Haia! Ti'n iawn? Croeso i'r stream. Dwi 'di updateio OBS fi. Ma' bob dim yn gweithio.
So cool. You've got effect.
Newydd. Big brain moment. O, pa ddim hwn 'di crasio camera fi. Oh my god! Camera fi 'di sticio. Mae'n haeddu hynna'n. Mae'n absolutely haeddu hynna'n. O, dwi'n livid. No. No, Michael, no. It's wrong. Dwi'n rhaid i crasio'n ystod stream. Dwi'n crasio cychwyn stream bod tro de. Na, fo, os mae fi nôl am. Ai, hwnna'n nath ffwcio fyny?
So cool, dyna. So dwi'n cael big brain moment.
A dyn. Anyway. Helo. Croeso. Dwi am... Dwi'n cofio gym yma? Sain i hwn. Let's have a look. Oh, fuck sakes. Playing alone with friends. Alone. Okay. One player.
It's just you, me, and the computer. Okay, first bit. If you'd be so kind, please enter your name.
So hwn ydi version PS2, cos mae'n scary. Dwi am spelio enw, dwi'n meid enw fi de, efo Z. Efo Z. Wyt ti'n cadw'n iawn da badan?
You're 15 questions away from 1 million.
Cool dude.
And if you're ready to play, have a look at this for £100. Which of these is an offensive term for a foolish or studious person?
Ooh.
Curd.
Turd.
Bird. Bird. Herd. Are you confident?
Yes.
It's the easiest question of the lot, and you've got it wrong.
Oh my god! Damn!
Well, I am sorry. It's very, very rare that anybody leaves empty-handed, but that's what you've achieved. I do hope you've enjoyed playing. Please try again soon, and better luck next time on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
Shiny di trwy'n Foolish. Ysbryd mae rhywun yn gael yn nerd yn foolish. Ian, foolish ddo. Studious iawn, foolish. Dwi'n yn cytuno fo hwnna de. Dwi ddim de. O, mae trwy'n i'n shiny dwi'n cael shower.
Good luck. Now, I hope you're ready for this. Here comes your first question. It's worth £100.
Fel rhywun o'r nerd community, so dwi'n gael yn hynna'n foolish.
Sitcom, 1 foot in the...
Gref. Iawn. No help. No help in the chat.
Soup. Grave.
Grave.
Are you happy with your answer?
Yes, Chris Tarrant, I'm happy.
It's good. You've got £100. Have a look at this. It's worth £200.
Do, dwi wedi.
What word is used to
Dwi wedi rhoi moisturiser.
cook? Mechanic.
Ti'n gallu gweld moisturiser ar baich fi.
Nurse.
Be ti'n meddwl o moisturiser fi? Dwi'n efo coconut infused moisturiser. Nes I cael o Home Bargains. What's the word for professional cook? Chef Tarrant D.
That's right. You've got £200.
Ella nes I.
Now,
Na ddo.
question number 3 for £300.
Na ddo, nes I ddim. Na pam.
The Alps form a natural northern border of which country?
Italy.
Sweden,
No.
Russia,
No.
Italy,
Yes.
Luxembourg.
C, Terrent. Italy.
You've got £300.
I hwn fydd yr stream cyfle yma yn hanes y byd.
Now,
Ti angen moisturisio neu ti'n cael wrinkles, dwi'n gwybod.
nothing.
Dwi'n gwybod.
You won't, and I hope you don't. But have
Gyda fi panda eyes fi. Ti wedi gweld panda eyes fi? So panda eyes fi. Mae hwnna'n bane of my life.
bird, fish, insect, reptile.
Bird. O, maen nhw'n waith. Maen nhw'n waith yn real life. Emrys Panda nhw'n galw fi pan ni'n gweithio'n Tesco. Bird?
Well, you seem pretty confident, but I'm afraid it's the wrong.
For fuck's sakes!
I believe you've done that. I'm so sorry, that's the wrong answer.
Be di mynd nhw?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Still, we always say they are only easy if you know the answer. It is just a real shame you didn't on this occasion. Hopefully you will next time on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
Be di mynd nhw?
Dwi'n hofio chwarae Sims 3 Fishing. Iawn, hwn di'r run. Fishing. Dechrau fod. Iawn, done. Okay. Got this, I got this. Dwi'n gael sip o panad fi tan o.
Right.
Dwi wedi mynd am y see-through cup heddiw.
£1 million, 3 lifelines, 50-50, phone a friend and ask the audience.
Come on.
Hope you're ready for this. Here comes your first question. It's worth £100.
Ww, sa Sims yn gêm da fi chwarae sa.
Which of these makes announcements at large formal gatherings?
Okay.
Toastmaster, Grill Herald, Bake Barker, Smoke Crier.
Toast Master A.
Are you
A.
happy with your answer?
Extremely happy.
It's good. You've got £100. Here's question 2. It's worth £200.
Come on.
What name is given to the bell tower of a church?
Eh?
Belfry,
Oh, Belfry.
pulpit,
Belfry.
nave.
Oherwydd dwi di chwarae Dark Souls. A mae yna Belfry gargoyles yn efo. Ti'n cwffio nhw ar ben.
It's correct. You've got
Capel.
£200. Right, so far so good. Take a look at this for £300.
300 quid.
Which of these is a concentrated syrup used for making soft drinks? Jovial, revel, cordial, loyal.
That's C, Chris. That's cordial.
You're absolutely right for £300. Now, you've got £300, but you could still go away with nothing. I'm sure you won't, and I hope you don't. But have a look at this next one. It's worth £500. What should you do with a Viennese whirl?
Bita fo. Eat it.
Stroke it. Wear it. Eat it. Drink it.
Llaw i fynd yn y chat pwy sy'n strocio Venice Worlds nhw. A. Stroke it. Oh shit, Naki!
But I'm afraid that's...
Eat it yno!
It's the wrong answer. Oh.
Eat it yn internet!
So sorry. Still, we always say they are only easy if you know the answer. It is just a real shame you didn't on this occasion. Hopefully you will next time on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
Na, ond nes i ddeud yr atab, nes i ddeud eat it. Nes i just push up button wrong. Nes i ddeud eat it. Nes i just push up button wrong. Dwi'n to stroke my Viennese World. Hynna pan dwi'n single, dwi'n meddwl.
Good luck. Now, I hope you're ready for this.
Iawn, oce.
Next question. It's worth £100.
Ooh! Automod.
Which of these workmen
Held message gan dod o Berdan.
job? Whiskey distillery.
Ie, o, ydw i'n allowed to deny y message chi ddylai bod yn allow.
Exorcist.
Mae N idiot yn permitted term ar chat rwan. Which of these workmen would use a spirit level? Bricklayer.
You think it's B. Are you happy with that answer?
Yes.
It's good. You've got £100.
No, Grando, nah. This is the run, man. This is the run.
Take a look at this for £200. At what time of the day is GMTV transmitted on ITV?
Mornings, morning.
Tea time,
Morning time.
lunchtime,
Morning time.
night time,
Morning time.
breakfast time.
Breakfast time. Because breakfast time.
It's good for £200. Now, here's question number 3 for £300. In which country is Assam, the state known for its tea growing?
India. India. India.
Sri Lanka,
Oh shit.
Pakistan,
Oh shit.
China.
Na, Gynna fi pack o Assam yn ty. Pam ti di gofal, wan? Pam ti di gofal? Na, India. Sri Lanka. Diolch yn China. Dio ddim yn Pakistan. India.
You're absolutely right.
Oh my god!
Right, your 12 questions.
Yn China, na.
One is worth
Ei,
five.
dwi di... Oh shit, mae siwr, peidiwch,
Look.
Ti'n mynd goffa i streambot fi, man.
Complete the title of the Mozart opera The Magic Bassoon, Flute, Oboe, Clarinet.
What? The magic flute, magic flute, magic flute, magic flute.
That's the right answer for £500. Now, the next question guarantees
Mae,
if you give me a correct answer. Have a look at this.
dwi di newid prisia channel points hefyd.
American name for the business area of a city.
Eh?
Uptown, crosstown, downtown, down market.
Downtown, yeah? Downtown.
If this answer is correct, you're guaranteed to leave here with at least £1,000. Well done, it is the right answer. So, congratulations, you're now guaranteed £1,000 no matter what happens. Okay, going on. Question 6 is for £2,000. Frank McCourt,
What?
the best-selling
Ashes. Ashes. Ashes.
rashes,
Ashes.
lashes,
Ashes.
sashes,
Ashes. I used to go out with a girl called Angela. She had some rashes. No. Ashes.
You're going for
Organ uptown. Where do you boo? Where do you boo? Everything downtown. Uptown Girl. What's the song?
Congratulations, it's the right answer. You've got £2,000.
Hello, Dudzy. Mewn rhyw chwarter awr 10 munud i am nabod virtual millionaire.
9 questions away from £1 million and starting to look at some of the bigger jumps. But remember, the drops are pretty steep as well. Take a look at this for £4,000. In which county is Padstow?
What the fuck?
Essex, Buckinghamshire, Derbyshire, Cornwall.
What? I'm from Essex, aren't I? Vill han nog köra det? Var posh. Our cider. Jag kan du må be nu. Det är phone a friend. Phone a friend.
Okay, you want to phone a friend. Now let's call them, but remember you don't...
Det är hon en amlog. Det är hon en WhatsApp amlog. Hello.
Hi Lisa, it's Chris Tarrant from Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
Oh my goodness. I don't believe it.
We've reached a fairly tricky question. Now your friend needs
Du med Napa och Lisa.
beyond four...
Ska vi din friend och Lisa, by the way.
Oh my god. Go on then.
Now, are you ready for this? Here's the
Go on then.
possible answers, one of which is the right answer. In which county is Padstow, Essex, Buckinghamshire, Derbyshire, Cornwall?
We used to go on holiday to Devon and Cornwall, and I know Padstow is in Cornwall.
Thank you very much for your time. Well, now it's time to make your mind up. Lisa thinks it's D, but it's over to you for the final answer.
Cornwall.
Are you happy with your answer?
Yes, the Cornwall.
Congratulations.
Joio panad yn dod.
Won £4,000.
Ond ie, dwi'n clicio panad. Gyda fi just massive sychad i'r roed. O'n i'n hooked y coc o blaen.
Okay, going on.
Coca-Cola, lle.
Up
Dim
for
Coke.
£8,000.
Coca-Cola.
Take your time on this. You don't have to play.
Fi ddod sy'n siarad pwysau. Dwi'n mynd bita gymaint hynna, ond o'n i'n hamro Coca-Cola.
Which of these is an
A hynna pan dwi'n hogyn mowr rhan.
certain type of brash young woman?
Ww.
Yorkshire girl,
Dol badarn.
Hertfordshire girl,
Dol badarn.
Suffolk girl,
Dol badarn.
Essex girl.
Dol badarn. Essex girl, yeah. Essex girl.
You're saying D. Okay. You happy to go orange?
Orange. Orange me, Chris.
Oh, I'd love to say you just won £8,000. And I can. You have just won eight.
Fucking hell.
Don't do that to me, Chris.
Fflio to hwn, man.
You'll win £16,000 if you give me the correct answer to the next question. It's number 9 of 15. Take a look at it. Here.
Take a look. Take your time and walk away.
What have to be pulled to make a marionette work?
What?
Levers, strings, weights, faces.
Huh? Un person de marionette. Marionette. Team on a seed, yo.
Lifelines, 50-50, and ask the audience.
Dwi'n meddwl na seed, yo. Pam dwi'n meddwl na seed, yo? Yeah, Marion Antoinette, yeah. Marion Antoinette. Yeah, na dwi'n meddwl amdan. Na dwi'n dweud, Marion Antoinette. Ask the audience. Ask the audience.
Okay, right, using up your lifeline. Ask the audience. Audience, if you're ready, please, let's try and help out.
Oes, dwi'n tynnu dy heb help.
Answer A, B, C, or D.
Big brain.
Please, now. Well, that's an overwhelming indication from the audience, but what does it indicate? You don't have to go along with their answer. It's entirely up to you. So it's up to you entirely. What do you think?
Strings.
So you're saying B.
No. No.
You've just won £16,000.
Easy. Easy.
Right,
Easy.
you got 16,000.
Dwi on 50-50 ar ôl, ond o.
16,000, but you're just 6 questions away from £1 million. The next question, if you go for it and you get it right, is worth a guaranteed £32,000.
Diolch,
Have a look
Chris.
at it. Good luck.
Diolch, Chris.
In which county of
For fuck's sakes!
Nottinghamshire, Staffordshire, Leicestershire, Warwickshire?
Fuck, di cannog chase. Ti eisiau dod o dan? Eisiau ffocin medal? Eisiau medal? Dwi'n dweud 50-50.
Okay, you want to go 50-50? Use your lifeline. Computer, take away 2 wrong
Dwi'n mynd na Warwickshire, dia. Dwi'n mynd na Warwickshire, dia.
answers and the one remaining
Warwickshire.
answer.
Fuck's sakes.
Well, that's left you with A or B to choose from.
Teulu fi'n byw yn agos. Ie, dwi'n yn gwybod lle mae Staffordshire ar map. Dwi'n gwybod lle mae Nottinghamshire ar map. O, dwi'n gwybod lle mae Nottingham ar map. So dwi'n cymryd mae Nottinghamshire yn lle.
You might as well play this. You've got nothing to lose.
Ie.
Are you sure it's not A? You did have £16,000 in your hand. You've now got
Yes!
£32,000.
Iawn, dyna ddim yn cymryd y cheatio. Nes i ddewis o do. Nes i ddewis o. Nes i ddewis o. Sbio ar y check na. Dwi'n casio check na. Oh shit, dwi'n dweud Z yn enw fi do. Lle dal casio check. Os dwi'n enw fi fy Z. Lle S. Si'n meddwl hynna.
You've got £32,000 guaranteed. It's in the bag. No one can take that away from you at this point. Now, the next question is worth £64,000. You might as well play this. You can't lose. Take your time. It's becoming very big money. Here it comes.
Big money. Big money, big dreams.
Brocade is a type of what?
Fuck's sake. Okay.
Pastry. Vegetable. Grass. Fabric.
Brocade. A brocade. Brocade. Ooh. Have you got a... How is your brocade? Do you have a brocade? Have you made a brocade? Have you grown a brocade? Nah. Have you draped a brocade? Nah. Have you eaten a brocade? Nah. Have you... Well... I'm a vegetable. Brocade. I'm a pastry, na di. Dwi wedi cwrdd yn pastry brocade. Dwi wedi bod o Greg's a 10 gwaith. Hyn a hyn. Brocade. Mae had dina ddim yn neud yn teimlo'n fabrici iawn. Grass, ddo. Grass? Going grass. Going grass.
Okay, you're going for C. Are you happy? Well, you were guaranteed a cheque for £32,000, and I'm afraid that's still all you'll leave with. That's the wrong...
Fuck's sakes!
But
Be o
a great contestant.
Fuck o ddo. Fabric.
Well, you leave us £32,000 richer than you were just a few minutes ago, which is brilliant. I'm sure that you could go even further next time, so please come back soon and play Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
Hynna dwi'n meddwl y fucking 32,000, met. Dwi'n canu hynna, dyn 2S. O'n i'n rili meddwl sy'n ni hwn o'n un go. O'n i'n rili meddwl sy'n ni hwn o'n un go. Pan ti yn hot seats de, mae o'n a different ballgame. It's a different
Here
ballgame.
comes your first question. It's worth £100.
Pan mae 'na fake money on the line there, it's a different...
Which fairy tale characters are associated with broomsticks? Genies,
Nah,
gnomes,
nah,
witches,
yes,
fairy godmothers.
yes,
Are you happy with your answer?
yes, yes.
It's good. You've got £100. Have a look at this. It's worth £200. Which of these is not a standard girl?
Whoa.
Michaela,
Tim McCall...
Kevina, Bernadette, Nigella.
Kevin, yn allan mae'n kill that one. Dwi'n am yn cwestiwn 2022 de. Not happy.
Now, here's question number 3 for £300. What name is given to the removal of moisture from something? Dehydration,
Yeah,
delamination,
nah,
deification,
nah.
deliberation.
Dehydration.
Well done, you've got £300.
Yes!
Right, question 4 of 15 coming up. You're doing fine. Take it.
Doing fine.
Look at this for £500.
£500.
What is the prime concern of a vet? Farm machinery,
Animal welfare.
relations,
Animal welfare.
tax collection, animal health. You're right, you've got £500.
Getting there. Inflation rates.
Now, the next question.
The eventual ticking of the death clock.
If you give me a correct answer, have a look at this.
I got this.
Which Queen song was a UK #1 single in 1975 and again in 19...
Bohemian Rhapsody.
Radio Gaga.
Nah,
Now I'm Here.
nah,
Bohemian
Yes.
Rhapsody. Killer Queen.
nah. See, nah. See, Bohemian
This
Rhapsody.
answer is correct. You're guaranteed to leave here with...
Radio Gaga ddim yn yr 80s. Bohemian Rhapsody herwydd Wayne's
Well,
World.
it is the right answer.
Dwi'n cleverly. Mae'r fucking hael yn golfa fyna.
So, congratulations. You're now guaranteed £1,000.
Thank you.
No matter what happens? Okay, going on. Question 6 is for £2,000. Which word means to alter the outcome of an election by intervening
Di storm eich... Na, dim byd yn... Glaw, de.
dig,
Di ffwc o lawd, gath ni'n byd yn... Gath ni'n byd nuts, de. Which word means alter the outcome of an election by investigating... By intervening... Oh! Rig?
final answer?
Yes. No, gath ni ffwc o lawd, de. Ond gath ni'n byd... Fatha storm, de.
Pounds guaranteed. You've now got £2,000.
Oh my god, mae troi mi'n shiny yn di. Sbio na fo. Shiny di troi fi. Ac yn goch. Ni wylio y siawr ydw i.
Nine questions away from one.
Glân. Ie, mae shiny ddo. Sbio troi na. Gam zoom yn da.
Which of these is a river of South Africa?
Oh, what?
Limpopo, Limdodo, Limtoto, Limpopo.
Sim... Sim ond £2,000 cwestiwn. Sim ond £2,000 cwestiwn. The Limtoto River, the Limpopo River, the Limdodo River, the Limcoco River.
Don't forget, you've still got all 3 lifelines. Use them if you need to. That's what they're there for. Are you happy with that?
Y big na anti-apartheid era. Illa.
Had £2,000.
Ah, dwi'n colli.
Lost 1,000. I'm afraid it's the wrong answer. Well, you've won yourself £1,000, and that's certainly not to be sniffed at. £1,000 guaranteed. I'm really sorry you didn't make it further, but well done. You have done very well. Maybe you'll do even better next time you play Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
Iawn, last run. Hwn ydi last run fi o'r gêm yma. A chwarae rhywbeth arall wedyn. O, no, ddim y £2,000 cwestiwn de. Sorry de. Sorry de. No way de. No way de. No way.
Good luck. Now, I hope you're ready for this. Here comes your first question. It's worth £100.
£100.
Which of these is an item of winter sports equipment? Ben sleigh, Bert sleigh, Bill sleigh, Bob sleigh.
Chris bobsleigh.
You're going for D.
Yes. D. Chris.
Well done, nice and easy. You've got £100.
Class. Class, Savannah.
Here's question 2. It's worth £200. Lancashire, Cheshire and Leicester have which food product named after them? Cooked ham, meat pies, sausage, cheese.
Hello, King Kong, Small Dog. Ti dal angen newid yr enw na de. What? Leicester, Cheshire cheese. Lancashire pie. What the fuck? Ydy ateb yma'n uffernol o obvious a fi sydd yn thick, what? Ydw I bod yn thick?
Got all 3 lifelines left. 50-50, phone a friend and ask the audience.
Ydw I bod yn uffernol o thick o yma? Leicester cheese, ie? Ie, Cheshire na dwi yn cael. Cheese.
It's good for £200.
Fucking hell. Hey, Angel the Lemon.
You're doing well. You're just 30
Ryan-
questions away
Ryan-
from £1 million.
Hog and tail, ond
Pounds.
ti'n cael cadw off y caws.
What is the name for the parts of a chicken removed and used to make
Hello.
gravy?
What's the name?
Goblets, giblets, gubbins, gibbons.
Ti'n ei grifi fy giblet? Yn mwch chi'n yn bin. Dim y shit ti fewn, oedd pwsac am allu di giblet. Dim oedd pwsac a bit afiach di giblet.
All right, take your time. You've still got all 3 lifelines. You've still got 50-50, phone a friend and ask the audience.
Sti cael efo bisto. Giblet ti'n ateb. O'n i'n gwybod bod chdi'n ei grifi efo giblet.
Pounds.
Yn afiach.
Now, you've got 300 quid, but you could still go away with nothing. I'm sure you won't, and I hope you don't. But have a
Come
look
on.
at this next one. It's worth £500.
500 fake pounds.
Which of these expressions refers to excessive bureaucracy? Tape deck, tape measure,
Red tape.
red tape,
Red tape.
gaffer tape.
Red tape. I'd like to put some gaffer tape on some of my co-workers at work. But it's red tape, Chris.
That's the right answer for £500. Now, the next question guarantees you £1,000.
O, dwi'n tynnu...
You give me a correct.
King Kong and Small Dong, dwi'n tynnu neud o just fi fy hun. So, sa'n neb gallu tro hwnna eisiau help.
Interest of an antiquarian. Old things.
Old things.
Sculpture. Animals. Music.
Old things. Old things.
Well done, you just guaranteed yourself £1,000.
Hawdd. Hawdd. Absolute hawdd. Teen old thing.
So, congratulations, you're now guaranteed
Teen.
£1,000 no matter what happens.
Dwi 33 yn dod.
Six is for
Diolch yn fawr am sgwennu 33 allan efo llythrenna a dim efo numbers.
It's a slang word for which part of the body?
Fuck.
Ear, hand, mouth, belly.
Hand, ia? Mittens, ia? Pobl yn gwisgo mittens. On the hands. Ia? Yeah? Dwi'n bod yn ddic. Lle ffwc sy'n gwisgo mittens? Na, hand mittens, hand mittens.
So you're saying B?
Ynddo, hand mittens.
You've just won £2,000. You're doing brilliantly.
Diolch yn fawr, Chris.
You got £2,000, but take a look at this next question for £4,000. Which of these is an editorial article in a newspaper? Chief, boss, leader, principal.
What? Which of these is an editorial article in the newspaper? Principal. Have you read The Boss today at the Daily Telegraph? Have you read The Chief today at the other one? Have you read The Leader today on The Guardian?
You've still got all three lifelines left. 50-50.
I did enjoy The Principal on The Spectator today.
Okay, you've chosen to phone a friend.
Dwi'n
Now,
meddwl
let's
ba.
call them up.
Dwi'n meddwl
But
ba.
just remember, you don't have to take their advice.
Hello?
Hello, hello.
It's Chris Tarrant from Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
Chris Tarrant. Oh, hello.
Oh, hello.
Your friend badly needs your help. We need the correct answer to a
My friend.
£1,000 question.
Right, I'm ready to help, Chris.
Right, Jane, here's the question plus 4 potential answers. We only want one of them. Which of these is an editorial article in a newspaper? Chief, boss, leader, principal.
When we manage to eat breakfast together, Jeffrey always reads out The Leader from his paper to me, making some point or other I don't quite understand. The correct answer is Leader.
Dwi ddim yn ffrindio efo'r ddynas ma. For the record, dwi ddim yn ffrindio efo'r Tory ma. Dwi ddim yn nabod y ddynas ma. Just for the record. Dwi ddim. Pam di tyma fi'n gweithio?
Give me your carbon, bitch.
O ne, ma'n gweithio.
So
C.
you think the right answer is C. Are you sure?
Yes.
It's the right answer. You've got £4,000.
No,
Well,
you see, I'm talking facts here. I don't do ifs and maybes. I do absolutes.
Don't do if maps are babies. I do apt buzzards. Come on.
Okay, going on. Question 8 coming up for £8,000. Take your time on this. You don't have to play. Here it comes.
Diolch yn fawr.
Give me your carbon,
Shirley Lundy
bitch.
was the manageress of what in the TV drama series of that title?
You fuck.
Restaurant, department store, football team, fashion house.
Huh? Yeah, dim ond football team ydi. Hwn yn early 2000s. Yo. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. Have you ever watched an episode of Department
You've still
Store?
got 2 lifelines. Now you could go 50-50 or you
A
could...
fashion house. In a restaurant. Have you... Ydy hwn yn un amlwg? Ydy hwn yn amlwg, ta da? Na. She was the manageress
Sounds you
of what in the TV drama series of that title?
3,000.
Oh, yeah, okay. Fashion house. Dwi'n cymryd fatha editor-in-chief sy'n rhedeg o? Just fi'n gwachio Ugly Betty dyna.
You've still got 2 lifelines, 50-50 and ask the audience.
Mae'n either yn E neu D, iawn. E neu D. So mae'n E neu D ar ôl. Dwi'n mynd am E neu D.
Okay, you want to go 50-50? Use your lifeline. Computer, take away 2 wrong answers, please. Leaving the right answer and the 1 remaining wrong answer.
Oh my god! B and C!
A and D go, B and C are left.
O'n i'n mynd E neu D yna. Dyma football team na di. No way! Department store.
Are you happy it's not C?
Ynddo.
You had £4,000. You haven't got £4,000 anymore. I'm sorry, it's the wrong...
For fuck's sakes! You sexist!
Well, you've won yourself £1,000 and
You sexist!
sniffed out. £1,000 guaranteed. I'm really sorry you didn't make it further, but well done. You have done very well. Maybe you'll do even better next time you play Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
Gonna be a thing. Nah, good shit. Nah, I don't do sitio fo.
No, you see, I'm talking facts here. I don't do if, buts and maybes. I do absolutes.
Dwi'n sexist, Tinder profile Emrys. Dwi'n exposed yn barod. Iawn, hwn di'r un ola. Na, good, dwi'n eisiau help.
Give me your carbon, bitch.
Right.
Dwi'n eisiau help. Dwi'n
£1 million.
angen help.
You ready for this?
Dwi'n angen help.
First question,
Dwi'n angen o.
£100.
Dwi'n angen o. Oeddech chi yn gwybod beth ateb hwnna na ga?
Dishes would you be most likely to put tomato ketchup?
Everything.
Baked Alaska,
Everything.
peach Melba,
Yes.
hot dog,
Yes.
rum baba.
Yes.
Are you absolutely sure?
Well,
Well done, nice and easy. You've got £100. Have a look at this. It's worth £200.
£200. Wws fi am y gola tu o fi wan? Yn mynd efo
Of change
background fo. Sbia?
mansion.
Sbia? Si'n trio yn hynna, ond sbia gola? Yr un peth? Can newid os wisio. Can newid o'i. Green. Coch. Hynna. Smooth. Newid lliw.
All right, take your time. You've still got all 3 lifelines. You've still got 50-50, phone a friend, and ask the audience.
O, dwi'n bod sbio... Oce, sorry. Oedd y... thousands and success of a premise o'r manager ffwrdd newydd. The comedy up there. Yeah, not llal. Millionaire Blue. Millionaire Blue to go with the baby blue eyes. And that's what the brown's gonna be. In which front of which building might one see the ceremony of the changing of the guard? Buckingham Palace.
It's right, you got £200.
Buckingham Palace.
Now, here's question number 3 for £300.
Ydw i angen goleuo hwnna?
Territories, states, republics.
Ie, yn wedi gyda'r teitl Manager S, rili nid yn amlwg bod hi'n manager gydynas ar un pryd. Yep. That's all. 50 what formed the Federal USA? What the states?
You've got £300.
Class.
Right, question 4 of 15 coming up. You're doing fine. Take your time, have a look at this for...
The state of a country, am I right?
One of the events at the Highland Games is called tossing
Tossing the Scotsman.
coin,
Tossing the Scotsman.
pancake, sword, caber.
What the fuck? Tossing the caber. Yeah? Tossing the caber? Tossing the coin? Mae Scots efo reputation, which dwi ddim yn cytuno fo, o fod yn stingy. Iawn? Dwi ddim yn cytuno fo hynna. Mae gynnon nhw perceived thing o fod yn stingy. So, os nhw ddim yn tossing the coin nesa. Pancakes. Danish pancakes. So, na. Tossing the sword, which is swnio'n berig. Pam chi'n... First rule of battle ydi keep hold of sword, dwi'n meddwl. Caber, dwi'n gwybod beth di caber. Mae'n swnio fatha bag o rhywbeth. Bag of capers. Dwi'n mynd amdano, tossing the sword. Ond, ar diwedd Braveheart, pan maen nhw'n dweud y pennill na, mae yna boi'n tafod sword, does? Mae'n tafod sword Mel Gibson
All 3 life
i'r canol, yndi?
50-50, phone a friend and ask the audience.
So hwnna'n tossing the sword. So, dwi actually wedi gweld video proof o Scotsman, no, rhywun actor Scotsman yn tafod sword. Dwi'n meddwl y keeper, dio.
Okay, you want to get
C neu D, dwi'n meddwl, dio.
2 wrong answers, please. Leaving the
C neu D.
and the 1 remaining wrong answer.
For fuck's sakes!
So that's left you with C and D. Okay, right.
Ask the audience. We've the Scots in the audience.
Please, let's try and help. Fingers on keypad. Answer C or D, please, now.
Oh, ni'n iawn.
I obviously think it's D.
Sut mae Saeson yma'n gwybod hyn?
So it's up to you entirely. What do you think?
Sut dwi fatha Celtic Brother ddim yn gwybod hyn?
You're right. You've got £500.
Ti eisiau 2 lifeline i cael £500.
Now, the next question guarantees you £1,000 if you give me a correct answer.
Come on.
Have a look at this. What is the name of Yogi Bear's small companion? Doo-doo,
Doo-doo.
boo-boo,
Boo-boo.
cuckoo,
Boo-boo.
frou-frou.
Boo-boo. Boo-boo. Boo-boo.
Well done, you just guaranteed yourself £1,000.
I've got this. I've
That's
got this.
£1,000 in the bag guaranteed, but let's try and double that with the next question. You might as well play this. You've got nothing to lose. You're guaranteed £1,000. This one is for £2,000.
Oh, sy'n cweit then, adio.
Subject might be known as divinity.
Okay, makes sense. Makes sense.
Physics, religious studies, geography, mathematics.
I want to say physics, Chris, but I know it's B.
So you're saying B?
Yes.
Congratulations, it's the right answer. You've got £2,000.
Give me your carbon, bitch.
Okay, now it's getting rather serious. The money starts to go up and up at this point.
Divinity
rather
is
fast.
my science.
You've got £2,000. You're 9 questions away from £1 million. This question is worth £4,000.
Just always a neb and
California's
just
national
the clips, you know, with the stream to Sylvie. Should need clips, actually, though. Should need clips. I mean, two clips.
film,
Computers.
fashion, wine.
Napa Valley is wine. Wine. Napa Valley. Wine. Cyswn dwi'n deud wine ydy nes I gwachad Limmy gwachad fideo o rhywun yn gofyn 50 questions I Victoria Beckham gael hi'n lyfio Napa Valley.
Final answer?
Final answer, Chris. Final answer. Ti'n gwybod o parents a?
£2,000.
Ideal.
You just doubled it to £4,000.
Vino for the boys.
Okay, going on. Question 8 coming up for £8,000.
Easy, easy.
Take your time on this. You don't have to play. Here it comes.
I play to win, Chris. I play to win.
Which TV
Oh.
sitcom starred Jasper Carrot?
O, dwi'n gwybod atab. Mynd i'n weld o, fyddai'n gwybod o.
The Doctors.
Na.
The Dentist.
Na.
The Detectives. The Dustbin.
Yes, detectives. The detectives.
Is that your final?
Jasper Carrot, de? Cwmni Jasper Carrot sy'n neud Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
No, you see, I'm
You
talking
have
facts here. I don't do if, buts and
£4,000.
maybes.
You
I
could have
do
walked away.
absolutes.
You didn't. You've now got £8,000.
Ie, fodd Golden Balls. No, dim fod Golden Balls, o fodd neud sioe Golden Balls. Ie.
Brilliant. You got £8,000.
Ito yung banta ng load of golden balls.
Away now from 1 million.
Give
If
me
you
your
get the next one
carbon,
right,
bitch.
you double your money to 16,000. Have a look at this. In rugby, what's another name for a loose scrum on the ground?
Rack.
Ruck. Parry. Maul. Gang tackle.
Oh, shit, na. Na, maul di... Di maul ddim on the ground, ydi. Rack, ie. Rack's ar lawr, de.
So you're saying it's...
On the ground?
Are you confident?
Oh, I'm misleading. Ynddo? Di maul, ti'n mynd to ground ar maul?
£1,000. You didn't have to play. You did. It was the right answer. You've just won
Yes!
16.
Yes! Yes! Fi yn hapus dyna.
Now you've got £16,000. You can obviously take that money and
Come
walk
on.
away. You might as well have a look at the next question. Take your time. It's question number 10. If you do decide to play it and give me the right answer, it's worth £32,000.
No pressure, no pressure.
Which bay separates Greenland from Canada?
Yeah, fuck.
Baffin Bay,
Nah,
Hudson Bay,
nah,
Frobisher Bay,
nah,
Mackenzie Bay.
nah. Mae'r Hudson River yn America. Hudson River yn America. Ydy o'n dod allan o'r Hudson Bay? Got to ask.
You want to use your phone a friend lifeline, okay?
Metal Gear Solid 2.
I'm on the line
Yeah.
now, but you don't have to take the answer they give.
Debbie speaking.
Hello, Debbie. This is Chris Tarrant from Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
Oh, gosh. Hello, Chris.
The tension now is almost unbearable. There's £32,000 on the table.
Unbearable tension.
Your help to secure this next milestone.
Unbearable tension.
I'll do my best.
Get prepared for this then, Debbie. Here's the question. We just want the one correct answer. Which bay separates
Mae dan dwi'n poeni os di'n brymu as long as mae'n iawn.
Baffin Bay, Hudson Bay, Frobisher Bay, Mackenzie Bay?
It's a bit of a guess, I'm afraid, but I
fuck's
think it might be Baffin Bay. I'm sure I've seen it on some of those wildlife documentaries.
Debbie, that's great. Thanks for helping out.
Na, ddim yn greit, o ddim yn siŵr.
Time for you now. Do you go along with Debbie's choice of A, or maybe you have an alternative answer?
So ni fel alternative answers, dwi'n fucking gofyn o son. A fucking limpo. Yeah.
So you're saying it's A.
A.
Are you confident?
No, not confidence. As confidence as Debbie.
You did have £16,000 in your hand. You've now got 32,000.
O'n i'n gwybod, so Debbie yn gwybod. O'n i'n gwybod. Si'n roed amma hi, am eiliad. O'n i'n gwybod, so Debbie yn gwybod yr atab. O'n i'n gwybod. Iawn, sgwyd ddim... lifelines, rwan.
Now, whatever happens, I'll be writing you out a cheque for at least £32,000. But we don't want to give you that. We want to write you out a cheque for much, much more. The next question is worth £64,000. It's a chance to double your money. You're guaranteed £32,000.
Sbi ar y gwynab na.
Play, here it comes. Which shadow post did Tony Blair hold when John Smith led the Labour Party? Chancellor, Home Secretary, Foreign Secretary, Health Secretary.
Oedd yma'n chancellor na gael. Oedd yma'n foreign secretary.
Play this, but if you do give me a correct answer, you are guaranteed to walk away
Oedd yma'n
with at
home.
least £32,000.
Health secretary.
Going for D.
Dwi'n meddwl chi'n gwybod os oedd yn chancellor sa.
Well, you were guaranteed a cheque for £32,000, and I'm afraid that's still all you'll leave.
Fuck sex!
Wrong answer. But you've been a great contestant. Well, you leave us £32,000 richer than you were just a few minutes ago, which is brilliant. I'm sure that you could go even further next time, so please come back soon and play Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
Yo, last go. Last effing go. Hwn di'r un. This is the... Fysa fan. Last one. Win or lose, dwi'n cael panad ar ôl hwn.
Comes your first question. It's worth 100.
Win or lose, cael y panad. Let's go.
Which of these is the name of a popular snack? Pop millet, pop barley, pop corn, pop maize.
Popcorn.
Are you absolutely sure?
Yes. Don't waste my time, Chris. Place to go. Place to be.
It's good. You've got £100. Have a look at this. It's worth £200. Complete the title of the famous car. Reliant,
Robin.
Rooster,
No.
Redstart,
No.
Robin,
No. Oh, yeah. Yes.
Raven.
Robin.
It's right. You've got £200. Right, so far so good. Take a look at this for £300. What is worn on Remembrance Day to honour those who died in wars?
Poppy.
White carnation, yellow rose, red poppy, purple heather.
Technically, y ddau yna. Technically, y ddau yna. Ond dwi'n gwybod be mae British media eisiau fi ddweud.
Now, you've got 300 quid, but you could still go away with nothing. I'm sure you won't, and I hope you don't. But have a look at this next one. It's worth £500.
£500. In my hands.
Located in London, what type of establishment is Selfridge?
Shop.
Museum.
Shop.
Prison.
Shop.
Hospital.
Shop.
Department store.
Department store.
Correct, you've got 500 quid. Well done. Okay, have a look. You're just one question away from your first milestone. It's for a guaranteed £1,000. Here it comes. Which of these is most likely to be worn by a monk?
Dwi'n nabod rei pobl yn gwisgo white llall lle.
Fowl.
I pethau'r ddwy ochr. Which of these is most likely to be worn by a monk? Howl.
If this answer is correct, you're guaranteed to leave here with at least £1,000. Well done, it is the right answer.
Cowl. Monk yn gwisgo chickens.
Oh, well done.
Eh?
You've got £1,000. Now that's
Oh my god, dwi'n goch eto ynddo.
walk away with at least
Oedd
£1,000.
update OBS ma wedi gwneud siŵr fod ti'n cofio camera settings. Sbia. Fucking heb. Fi fe math o fucking... Oh, dwi'n llai gwyn, man.
You've still got all three lifelines.
Which of these countries is farthest north?
Ask the audience.
Botswana yn Africa, sy'n ma fanna. Bolivia, Brazil yn South America, sy'n ma nhw'n fanna. Bosnia yn Europe. Bosnia. It's Bosnia.
So you think it's A?
Ie. Nes di ddeud update, so nes i teipio hynna'n lle options. Oh, funny joke, funny joke.
Give me your carbon, bitch.
You're doing brilliantly. You got £2,000, but take a look at this next question for £4,000.
Geweldig.
Which English adventurer brought back tobacco from the New World in
Walter Raleigh.
Walter Raleigh,
Yeah.
Thomas Parr, Philip Sidney,
Nah.
Francis Drake.
Oh, for fuck's sakes. Nah, Walter Raleigh. Dwi'n sticio Walter
I
Raleigh.
think it's A.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's the right answer. You've got
Yes!
£1,000.
History is my passion.
The next question takes you past the halfway mark for the 15 correct answers you need for £1 million. Good luck.
Do we have a lifelines we get? Do we have a lifelines we get?
£1,000.
Looking good. Looking good.
Who played Detective Crockett in the 1980s TV series Miami Vice? John Belushi,
Nah.
Tom Berenger, Eric Estrada, Don Johnson.
Pwy di tiwdor gorau chdi a pam? Queen of Scots. Because oedd hi'n hot. So be? Phone a friend. Phone a friend.
Okay, you've chosen to phone a friend. Now let's call them up.
Na, ci.
Just remember, you don't have to take their...
Na. O William Shakespeare yn tutor to steward. Adeg y stewardiad o Shakespeare.
Hello, Debbie. This is Chris Tarrant from Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
O, dim tutor as in yr amser tutor.
Well, we're halfway.
O'n i'n mwch di mwy...
Your friend
O'n i'n mwch di mwy
help.
eang rhan dy gwestiwn.
Serious
Who's your favourite person for the 2000s? O'n i'n mwyn hynny dy gwestiwn.
question, Debbie. Who played
O, royalty. Dwi'n mwyn neb, royalty.
80s TV series?
Nobody's born to govern, dol badan.
John Belushi,
Anti-monarchy stream yma.
Strada.
Nobody's born to rule.
Oh, I remember this. Yes, it was Don Johnson.
Diolch yn fawr.
That's great. Thanks for helping out. Debbie suggested D. Now you need to decide whether to go with
Oce.
or not.
Oce, Shakespeare. Ydy o'n adeg stewardiaid? Ie, stewardiaid. Ta ydy o'n adeg... Ydy o'n tutor? Shakespeare? 16...
Final answer?
Oedd o'n sgwennu i Liz, oedd? Oedd o'n sgwennu i Liz. William Shakespeare. Shakespeare. Tudor. O Stewart. Okay, nath o farw yn 1616, okay. So oedd o'n fyw am 13 years adeg y stewardiaid. Iawn, okay. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. 1616. Shakespeare. Ydy...
I'd love to say you
Fi-
won £8,000.
Papa.
And I can.
Fuck's-
I've just won £8,000.
Pa other famous tutors syna? Ar ôl Shakespeare. Ydw i'n cael dweud Leonardo da Vinci fod o'n ddim yn byw... Ydy pobl sydd ddim yn byw yn Prydain adeg tudoriaid, da ni'n cael alw yn
It's
tudoriaid.
number 9 of 15. Take a look at it. Here it comes.
Dwi'n meddwl conspiracy fel yn Shakespeare.
Characters.
Dwi'n meddwl na... Dwi'n meddwl cobal o lesser known playwrights oedden nhw.
3
Dwi
weeks
wedi gwneud dim gwaith i brofio hyn. Dwi'n meddwl hynna.
of soldiers.
Okay. Oh, Shakespeare! Wow! Shakespeare! Which characters occupied the first scene in Shakespeare's Macbeth? 3 witches, yeah? 3 witches. Yeah?
Take your time. You've still got 2 lifelines. Now, you could go 50-50 or you could ask the audience.
Ask the audience. 3 witches, dwi'n meddwl, dio.
Okay, right. You've chosen to ask the audience. Audience, get ready,
B.
please. Let's try and
I
help.
think it's B.
Fingers on keypad. Answer A, B, C, or D, please, now.
B. I think it's B.
Well, they're sure the answer is B.
Yep.
But they're a very strange bunch. So it's up
Wow!
to Charlie. What do you think?
Nes i dweud B, do.
B.
Nes i dweud B, do, cos dwi'n gledach. A dwi'n licio tudoriaid. Na, nid yn siŵr.
£16,000.
£16,000! Ai, hwnna'n West Lifeline, de.
So you've now got £16,000.
Famous tutors. Which we Google famous tutors or something.
£32,000. If you get it right, you're guaranteed to leave with at least that amount of money. But if you get it wrong, you drop 15 of the £16,000 you've got at this moment. You don't have to play this question, but it's worth £32,000.
I mean,
Guaranteed. Take your time. Here it comes.
O, dwi'n mynd dechrau sbio hynna.
Complete the title of the folk opera by Gershwin, Porgy and
What?
Beth. Betsy. Bessie. Bess.
Ha? Dwi'n clem? Dwi'n clem? Dwi'n gwestiwn yma. Porgy and Bessie.
You might as well-
Porky and Beth.
Nothing to lose.
Porky and Betsy. Porky and Bess. Gershwin. Hello, my name is Gershwin. Welcome to my folk opera, Porgy and Betsy. Hello, my name is Gershwin. Welcome to my folk opera,
Take your time, take as long
Porgy
as
and
You've
Bessie.
still got your 50-50 lifeline if you want it.
B-N-A-C. B-N-A-C.
Okay, you want to go 50-50?
B-N-A-C.
Computer, take away 2 wrong answers, please, leaving the right answer and the 1 remaining wrong answer.
She did B or C though.
So it looks like it's A or D. Are you
Bess.
sure it's not A?
Porky and Beth. Nah, Bess.
Are you sure it's not A?
Na, mae Beth yn rhy goman enw.
Oh, well done!
Yes!
32,000 pounds!
Yes!
Give me your carbon, bitch.
Iawn, oce. Da ni'n...
Now, whatever happens, I'll be writing you out a cheque for at least £32,000. But we don't want to give you that.
We don't want to give you
A
that.
cheque for much, much more. The next question is worth £64,000. It's a chance to double your money. You're guaranteed £32,000, and you might as well play. Here it comes. Who wrote the novel Small World and Nice Work? Tom Sharp, David Lodge, Ruth Rendell, Rose Tremaine.
Mba. Mba. I'm fucking clam. Never heard of them, mate. Box, mate. You got Netflix, mate. You do Netflix, mate. I do Netflix, mate. Mynd i cael gada fi. Dwi'n mynd fel la. Hwna.
Are you absolutely sure?
No, not at all. Not at all.
Well, you were guaranteed a cheque for £32,000.
Still gonna have it.
And I'm afraid that's still all you'll leave with. That's the wrong answer. But you've been a great contestant.
O'n i am deud i fi lodge. O'n i am deud i fi lodge.
Well done, a lot of money, and you have earned it. Congratulations. Please, please come back soon and try for even more money on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
Fucking game, ma. Fucking game, ma. Dit is verkocht, hè. Dit is weer. Dim ond coch na jyst fys di chwarae efo lliwia. Dy fod fel la. Sio? Na, di na di. Bro. Dwi'n misio ni ddim arall o hwn. Dwi'n rili ddim isio. Ain't gonna lie to you. So beth dwi isio? Tro fi am wneud am chydig bach, os rwy'n dal yn y chat, fydden ni'n mynd yn bach yn F1-ish one. Dwi'n isio chwarae hwn yn mwy. Ffwcio gema. Gema stupid. F1, chill. Chat. Chatting up. Bang, bang. Bloodwit. Ie, dwi'n gwybod pan mae... Ie. Shit. Zoom hwnna. Nôl. Na ci. Iawn. Pwy sy'n... Ydy car Ferrari yn... Ydy car Ferrari melyn weekend yma, ta na di? Ta ydw i'n nuts? Ydy... Ti'n gwybod beth ydy? Oce, diolch yn fawr. Diolch, Dr Badan. Ie, mae'r iswt deffro'n. Just hynna, dio. Ffordd maen nhw'n siarad, o, yn feilin, what? Hynna di lliw y dre mae Enzo Ferrari'n dod o, ie? Dwi'n meddwl hynna dio. Hynna di rheswm, mae'n 75 years is Ferrari. Mae dre, mae Enzo Ferrari'n dod o yn melyn di lliw nhw. So fel hynna dio. Dyma ni yn licio ddo, dyma ni yn lyfio de, oedd hwn. O'n i'n meddwl hwn yn ffocin clas de. Hwn, o'n i'n licio hwn de. O'n i'n big fan o hwn. O'n i'n meddwl hwn yn edrych yn clas de. Coch twyllach. It's gut of the car and shit, yeah. Dyd cyfan. Beth diddorol. Yn fama. Monza Bingo. Faint oedden nhw'n yn hypio fyny y livery yma? Y ffaith o just hynna dio. Shit, ie. Yn iawn, ie. Just hynna dio. A sgwynnu melyn yma. Which, ddylai hwnna yn felyn anyway. Dwi'n dall pan dio ddim yn melyn. Pan dwi'n type Ferrari? Oes, gallu. Formula. Ie. Iawn, ie. Dwi'n gwybod pam yn y big deal yn dod o fo. Diolch yn hwn na di. Diolch yn hwn na di. Ti'n gwybod hwn? Ja, beth sy'n ffomwl... Ie. Na fo, sbia? That. Germany... Pa ras oedd o? Hockenheim, 2019. Cofio hwn. Nath nhw'n cael ras da iawn yn o. Ie, cursed yn union. Hynna. Watch. Hynna. Ond, ie, hynna. Ie, hwnna di'r un o bod yn, ie. Mae Formula Dank yn hit and miss, da. Mae'n hit and miss, da. Dwi'n mwyn beth yw hwnna. Pwy hwnna? Pwy hwnna? Fel badan... Pwy yn y ras? Dydsi. Ai Dydsi di hwnnw yma. Os yma Flag Cymru yma. Ma. Nath Verstappen joke o bod o'n virgin. O ie, wel eisiau beth am hwnna. Dwi'n bod yn neud yr un joke weithiau. Yes, dyma weekend yma. Oce, dwi'n joio hwnna. Hwnna'n ffynnu. Oh god, bydd hyn. Bydd hyn. Good meme. Good meming yma. Very good meme. Funny, but true. Yun.
Sometimes. Still maturing, still growing, he's still maturing somehow. And I remember how I was with 22, 23. He's quite smart sometimes.
Oh, look at this. This is not a dog. This is a piece of shit.
Hindi ko na fun. Oh, dwi'n watch Drive to Survive. I'm a OG fan, Del Baran. I watched them I've been watching F1 since the 90s. Since 94, 95, I've been watching F1. Religiously, I've been watching F1 since 1994. I don't do Die Have to Survive. It's manufactured drama. I don't do it, basically. I just don't do it. Hadden we maar even wat moet vinden. Pimp weggooid. Doe mijn Corin 94, wel. Doe mijn Corin 16. Een beetje doe ik kunnen. That's for the gamers. That's all for the gamers, isn't it? Een beetje. So what do we look at? Lando Norris. Haven't got time for Lando Norris. Charles. TV. I'm a Charles guy. Dwi'n mynd cicio un allan y gwely. Dwi'n mynd ar Tinder date efo ddau nhw, ond Charles. Dwi'n mynd dewis. Mae llun o ddau nhw fa man. Ond llun o ddau nhw fa man. Gytid y hyn ddim yn mynd i ennill weekend yma, ia. Oedd hwn efo bod mwy ffynnu. Wyt ti'n dod o beth den? Wyt ti'n Team Charles a ti Team Carlos? Watch na. Pam mynd i'r llun yma o fewn llun? Ti'n gweld hwn? Hwn yn nuts. Ti wedi gweld y fideo yma? Rhywun yn gweithio. Sbia?
Wat een lul, zeg.
Gewoon gweithio na.
Jongen, wat een lul. Jongen, gaat op de baan.
Hoe komen we?
Wat een lul, zeg.
Dat backfire in de water. Jan. Max Verstappen, Lax Verstappen, Trax Verstappen, Snacks Verstappen, Jax Verstappen, also Jax Verstappen. Okay. Okay.
Can they get to work nice and speedily down at Ferrari? That seems to be held. Couldn't release Carlos Sainz because Perez was there and they were still looking for the tyre. Perez actually went over.
But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all?
Yes, we hwnna. Ie. Ie. Iawn ta. Ie, dwi off i gwylio fyd. Diolch i pob at sticio draw a gwachio fi ddim ennill £1 million. Dwi'n na i chi diwrnod, dwi'n gaddo. Ie, diolch yn fawr. Ie, dy Sul, dwi'n meddwl fyddai'n streamio nesa. Bach o F1 manager dy Sul, dwi'n meddwl. That's the plan. Fel arall, ie. Joiwch eich weekend. A na i weld chi, byddai gweld chi. Goodbye.